Hello everybody, this is Orpha from Orpha's Fascinations. Today I'm going to show you how to cook eggplant. Eggplant has been one of my favorite vegetables and it can be prepared in many ways. But today I'm going to feature Adobong Talong or eggplant in adobo sauce. Wow, we're all done cooking, and this recipe is quick and easy to prepare, and it's simply delicious. It is best served with steamed hot rice. I hope you enjoy my video today, and please don't forget to subscribe in my channel Orpha's Fascinations. Remember now that a little bit of love goes a long way. Goodbye. Until then.